So hello, today I am in school, so sorry if it's a little bit loud. And I just want to talk about me writing in my journal, appreciating every moment, and I just want to read one of them. So this is today I wrote January 2, 2026, number 8. I appreciate I read the story of Anton. This our mom sended a task that we must do, and she sended a story about Afton being a little bit indecisive on his courses, and yeah, we must answer the questions. And instead of me sending it to an I actually read it, and yeah, I'm proud of that. I appreciated myself, and because mostly of my classmates send it to ChatGPT, to Dola, which is I don't know why they changed the name to Dola to what's CC to Dola. A little bit confusing decision by them. And yeah, that's my video for today. See you tomorrow, and I see you tomorrow, I guess. So goodbye, and watch my other videos. Support a little content creator.